Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to go over the new dump trailer that I bought, kind of my plans for it, and I'm even going to go pick up a load of scrap steel. Scrap metal prices are high right now. They're especially low in my area because we live in such a small area and there's such little competition for scrap metal that these companies pay peanuts compared to what they pay in the metropolitan areas. But they're still up here. I can get 40 bucks a ton for it, so it's kind of up there, worth my time. And so I also get a chance to use my dump trailer, which I picked up recently, a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago maybe. Gonna make a little money with it. I literally bought this thing to make money with. That's my whole goal in picking it up. Scrap metal is not necessarily what I'm planning to do to make money with it. I'm currently building a website for my local area, basically to rent the dump trailer out. I'm not going to let people come pick it up and then use it and then bring it back to me. I'm afraid that people will ruin the thing. What I would like to do is offer just kind of like a roll-off dumpster service, but with a dump trailer instead. I go park it off at people's houses and they pay like 250 bucks because Home Depot rents them out for like 24 hours for like 250 bucks. So just getting started. I'm not sure exactly how much I'm going to charge, but I'm just currently working on it a little bit. I'd also like to maybe deliver gravel, mulch, manure, fertilizer, things like that with it. I'm just going to try and start up a little side business with it. I've got money coming in from YouTube every month that I'm wanting to put towards something else that can kind of potentially make me some money. So basically that's where this dump trailer comes in. Right now I'm using the YouTube money to finance the dump trailer. Hopefully here in a little bit I can get the dump trailer to pay for itself and even make a little money. So these big balls of wire that I'm taking, I got from my current employer. Basically, I just asked if I could have them. They were sitting over here across the street and just rusting away. So with a higher price scrap metal, I thought it'd be worth my time to load them up in the trailer and take them home. Not take them home, take them to the scrap yard. Told them that's what I was going to do with it. They didn't care. And so I just got this boom lift here. I did have one of the maintenance guys load the first load, but I've got quite a bit of experience on forklifts and things like that, so this wasn't too terribly different. It was a little bit rough. It was a little different with the controls and everything, but I just went ahead and loaded the rest of them, and it worked out okay. This last big ball, I just ended up pulling back out because it was just too big, and it was just going to be a nightmare to get out. I doubt I was doubting, I still doubt, that when I lifted up the dump trailer that it would have slid out. I think it would have been a nightmare getting it out of the trailer, and I think it just for the best that I just left it there. So I left one little ball there, but yeah, made a decent little chunk of money. Alright guys, so I'm finished up with the dump trailer here. This is my first day really using it to do any real work. First day making money with it. So I ended up pulling in $70, and it only took me a couple hours. So it was a couple hours of work to make 70 bucks, like 35 bucks an hour. Definitely felt worth it, and it was kind of fun. I just enjoy doing this kind of work. Just good to get a little comfortable with the trailer, see what it can do with the work I'll be planning to do with it. But really my biggest purpose in buying this dump trailer was to try and drum up a little side hustle with it. I'm gonna shut up now. Check out my next video on all the features of this dump trailer, and I'll see you in the next one.